Hello, everybody. My name is Ryan Leusch. I am the Chief Technology Officer at S2A Modular, and we do something called the Modular Minute. And today I'm going to come in here and I'm going to give you a minute about what we do at S2A. Today's topic is we're going to talk about water, and we're going to talk about it in the conservation of what we're doing in that, because, green building really is a holistic approach. It's a lot more than just renewable energies and sustainability. So what I want to talk to you about today, everybody, is how we're conserving water. What kind of things are we doing? And one of them is, rain harvesting. It's a misconception. Some people think that, it's not legal everywhere. That's really not the truth. You can harvest anywhere. And now we have devices that can do that at the homes. And as a lot of people know, we've got a drought situation. There's a lot of areas that have really bad drought issues. If you look at the Western United States, Lake Mead's at a record low. That's 40 million people dependent on that water. So what are we doing in that fashion? Well, one is the rain harvesting. If we can harvest that water, that's great. We can start using that in residentials and commercial situations. But another thing that we do, everybody, is we take and we call it looping. And what we do is we repurpose water. We take that water that typically you would put down your drain when you wash your hands, shower water. We can treat that with a UV lighting and loop it back through the system and basically use water twice. When we can do that, now we can repurpose water. We're really putting into the conservation of water, because we can top off our pools with that. We can top off our toilets with that. We can wash our laundry with that. You can water your gardens. You can water your yards. So as we keep looking at things that are happening in the world, it's very important that we're doing things like this, and that not so much only that the developers and builders are providing these kind of solutions, but that you, the consumer, the people buying homes and people out there, should be demanding this, because it's very important. Look at California's got cities right now that have been mandated to 55 gallons a day. This is a great solution for that kind of stuff, is to repurpose water, use it twice. So thank you for joining us for the Modular Minute.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.